Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. The question says let px equal to x square plus bx plus c, bc belongs to R. Then which of the following statement implies that ppx equal to 0 has at least one negative root? A. Px equal to 0 has the opposite sign. B. Px has both roots positive. C. Px has both roots negative. D. C minus b square over 4 square plus b times c minus b square over 4 plus c is less than 0 and b is greater than 0. So here we are going to use the key concept. Key concept. If px be any polynomial and if p minus x has alternative terms with negative sign then px will have at least one negative root. So let us start the question. Given px as x square plus bx plus c, where bc belongs to R. This implies ppx equal to 0 will be p times x square plus bx plus c will be equal to x square plus bx plus c square plus b times x square plus bx plus c and plus c will be equal to 0. Let it be 1, let it be 2. So if we are changing the sign here with a minus, so what we will get? We will be getting, if I am putting p minus x. So p minus x when I am writing, so it means that it will be x square minus bx plus c, and here also it will come x square minus bx plus c whole square, and b times x square minus bx plus c and plus c. So if you are going to collect it, then what are you getting? You will be getting here x to the power 4 minus 2bx cube and plus x square 2b plus 2c and then again minus b square plus 2bc times x and plus c square plus c is equal to 0. So we can say that ppx will have at least one negative root. Now let us see for the first one. From first, we have what we have. Take out the value of x from here. We have x will be equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4c over 2. So it totally depending on this discriminant. So if b square minus 4c is greater than 0, then we will be having all the real roots. Then roots will be real, but distinct. Right? Distinct does not mean that they will have the same sign root. So here also we are finding that when we are going to change it, so what are we finding? We are finding that both the roots will not be of px has root of the opposite side, because this will become plus and this will be also plus. Otherwise, if it will be negative, then it will become the complex roots. So it shows simply that I am writing here that px has root of opposite side. Right? If it will be less than, if this is equal to 0, then it will be both the roots will be equal. But they are saying that if they are going to change it to x equal to minus x, so we are getting here plus x then. So px has a root of opposite sign due to this, right? So this is the option A. This is the option A is correct. Now come to the second, B part. B part says that px has both roots positive. So px is given as we are aware that px is x square plus bx plus c. And if I'm putting it equal to 0, so discriminant delta, its discriminant d is b square minus 4ac. So if b square minus 4ac is 0, then both the roots will be minus b over a. So both the roots will be not the positive, right? When we are putting equal to 0, so has both roots positive because there is a minus b. So that is not possible. So px has both roots neither positive nor negative. Neither positive nor negative. That means option B and C are incorrect. Option B and C are not possible. Right? Now again come back to our previous one. Just a second. So let us come to our next one. That is the last one. So we are having here that px is having x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, you can say. So we were having x as minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4c over 2. So if I am taking this one, only this portion, discriminant, this shows that b square minus 4c will be always greater than 0. So when it will be greater than 0, so what we can write, that b square will be b square over 4 minus c will be greater than 0. And then again we are saying that c minus b square over 4 will be less than 0, because it has been given over here. B is greater than 0, so that's why it is written here. It will be only less than 0 when c minus b square over 4. So now if I am put x is equal to c minus b square over 4, this will be one of the root of this, assuming, then x square plus bx plus c less than 0 if I can write directly that c minus b square over 4 square plus b times c minus b square over 4 and plus c is less than 0 and b is greater than 0, right? So this says that option D is correct. So I can say that option A and D are correct. Therefore, options A and D are correct. Let me highlight it. So this is the option A and D are correct. So this is in this way. And we can see also that this is the A option, that root of the opposite sign, when we are using the principle of the sign. And this one will be also correct when the value of x will be c minus b square over 4, then it will be definitely less than 0. So this is our final answer. I hope that you understood the question. Best of luck. Thank you.